chest. There ain't no time to rest. I'm a little bit obsessed, and that's why I be coming for your neck. I'm coming for another pound of flesh. Got you running for a place to hide, but it'll be a waste of time. I'm patient, I only bite when the danger's high. I smell blood, that's a good enough reason. Your heart's getting stuck between my front teeth, and just when you thought it was done, and I'm leaving. Nope, the fangs deepen, and I'm screaming. You can't run, you can try to hide. Just know I'm gonna break you. No one's gonna save you. Hear me roar, I want nothing more. Just know I'm gonna have you ready for your love. Bend me till I finally break. This will be your very last mistake. Now the beast is wide awake, growing stronger with every